everyone. In this video, we are going to look at the concept of long division without any remainders. So before we look into long division, let's quickly revise our terms. So we learned in the previous video, this sign is called our division sign. The number which is within the sign is called the dividend. The number which is outside is called the divisor. The number which goes on top is called the quotient, and the leftover part is the remainder. So as we are working with no remainders, it means it's going to be a cross or a zero. So let's see how long division works. The first example we are going to look at is of 1 by 1 digit. So now the first one is 8 divided by 2. So how do we read this? 8 divided by 2. So how do we figure out which number is the divisor and which number is the dividend? So the first number, so when we read this 8 divided by 2. So the first number becomes your dividend, which is 8, and the second number becomes your divisor, which is 2. So how do we write it down in the form of long division? So we know 2 times 4 is 8. We put a line here. We subtract these two numbers. So what is 8 minus 8? 0. And we are done. So this means 2 times 4 is 8. It is fully divisible and we are left with no remainder. So this is our quotient and this is our remainder, which is 0 as here. Let's look at another example. 9 divided by 3. So 9 becomes your dividend and 3 becomes your divisor. So now we know 3 times 3 is 9. We subtract these two numbers. 9 minus 9 is 0 and we are done. Nothing is left over. Let's move on to 2 by 1 digit numbers. Now how do we read this again? 20 divided by 4. So this means 20 is your dividend and 4 is your divisor. 4 times 5 is 20. We subtract this and we are left with 0. Next example, 50 divided by 5. So 50 goes your dividend, 5 goes as your divisor. 5 times 10 is 50. Subtract, you get 0. Yeah. Let's move on to the next set of numbers, which is now 3 by 1 digit. So we have 244 divided by 2. We pick the first number. 2 times 1 is 2. Follow the steps carefully here, okay? Because we are dividing 1 by 1 number. So we pick the first number, 2. We divide it by 2. So we know 2 times 1 is 2. What is 2 minus 2? 0. We bring the next number down. So we bring 4. Only one number, not 2 here. So now what is 2 times what is 4? So we know 2 times 2 is 4. We subtract it again. We get 0. We bring the next 4 down here. So now again we know 2 times 2 is 4. Subtract it. 0. Do we have any more numbers to bring down? No. It means we stop here. That's our remainder. 0. So 2 times 122 is 244. Let's take another example. Dividing 126 by 6. We pick the first number, which is 1. Now 1 is smaller than 6, so we cannot divide it directly. What we are going to do, we are going to combine it with the next number and make it a pair. So now we are going to look for 12. We know 6 times 2 is 12. 12 minus 12, subtract it, 0. We bring the next number down, 6. 6 times 1 is 6. We subtract it again. 6 minus 6 is 0. Do we have any more numbers after this? No. It means we stop here and 0 is our remainder and 21 is our quotient or the answer. So that's all for this video. These are some simple examples how to do division. We will also give you more videos with complex problems. So keep watching, have fun, and bye-bye.